Good morning, students. Welcome to online platform of Shri Academy. Today we are going to study the chapter The Palanquin Bearer. So let's come to the word name of the chapter. Lightly, हल्के से, along, साथ साथ, बार बार, skim, फिसलना, foam, धार, stream, नदी की धारा, hang, लटकना, tube, force, springs, move quickly, beam, किरण, blow, must. Now, the poet of the chapter, The Palanquin Bearer. She was called the Nightingale of India and she was born in Hyderabad. She was very intelligent student. She took her matriculation examination at the age of 12 and learned to speak various languages. In addition to being active in India's freedom movement, Sarojini Naidu was also an accomplished poet whose poems focus on issue and theme typically Indian. Her writing style is considered a milestone in the evaluation of Indian poetry in English. So it is about Sarojini Naidu. There is something more about Sarojini Naidu. She was born on February 13, 1879 in Hyderabad. Her father, Dr. Agornath Chattopadhyay, was the founder of Nizam College of Hyderabad and a scientist. Her mother, Mrs. Vasundhari, was a Bengali poetess, and Sarojini Devi inherited qualities from both her father and mother. As it is mentioned that her father was a politician and her mother was a writer. So she inherited the qualities from both their father and mother. Now I would like to discuss the summary of the poem. There is the summary of the poem. There is custom of carrying a bride in palanquin by the palanquin bearer. तो मतलब आपने अपने मदर फादर से भी कभी ऐसी स्टोरी सुनी होंगी जिसमें उन्होंने बताया होगा कि पहले के ज़माने में जब गाड़ियाँ नहीं होती थी तो दुल्हन को पालकी में बिठा के एक घर से दूसरे घर ले जाया जाता था, या जो रानियाँ होती थी उनको भी कहीं जाना होता था तो वो पालकी में बैठ के जाती थी। तो ये स्टोरी जो है वो पैलेंक्विन बेयरर के बारे में है, यानी कि पालकी को लेके चलते हैं जो लोग, उनके बारे में है। ये स्टोरी है कि वो कैसा फील करते हैं, कैसे लेके जाते हैं, और लेके जाते समय वो भार को भूलने के लिए गाना गाते हैं, और वही गाने को सरोजिनी नायडू ने पोएम के फॉर्म में इस पोएम में लिखा हुआ है। तो The palanquin bearer is so finely woven around this custom, which express the joy and pride of palanquin bearer in carrying the newly-wed princess to her in-laws' house, and while walking they are singing song happily. तो ये पोएम में जो कस्टम पैलेंक्विन का था उसके बारे में, मतलब उससे सराउंडेड ये पोएम है। पैलेंक्विन के सराउंडेड सारी चीज़ें इसमें पैलेंक्विन से रिलेटेड हैं। सो लेट्स कम। According to the palanquin bearers, the bride is so light that it feels like the princess is swaying like a flower sways in the wind. She is sitting in the palanquin and is hearing their song. They consider the royal princess as a privilege instead of a burden to them, since she is sitting and thinking about her future after marriage like a flower in the wind. The bride is moving from side to side. She carries a mixed feeling as she is leaving her parents behind and moving on to a new phase of her life. She is happy and contented to live and start a new inning with her beloved. They say that she is like a bird that skims on the foam of a stream, which means that bird passes a stream skipping through the foam of stream, and the bride resembles of the bird because she is so delicate to carry. The poem okay, now talking about the poetic device and the rhyming scheme of the poem. The rhyming scheme of the poem is AABBCC, and I will explain while teaching the poem also. AABBCC is the rhyming scheme, and the poem carries a number of similes: a flower, dew, and the laugh to show how delicate and light the bride is. By using such similes, the poetess intention is to get across that the bride is very tender and need to be handled with care. The poetess is representing the bride as the heroine of the poem, and along with it, alliteration is also used because many words are repeated in the poem. So now coming to the poem. Here is the poem. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of the stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. So, in this first stanza, palanquin bearers are saying that lightly or lightly we bear her along means very lightly, बहुत हल्के से हम उसे अपने साथ लेकर के जा रहे हैं. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. So many times you people would have seen that when there is a wind flowing in the atmosphere, the flower sways, means comes this side and then that side, sways in the wind, and the bearers are saying the same, that the bride is swinging like a flower in the wind of our song, means when they are carrying the palanquin is moving from left to right, so they are means comparing this sways like a, this means moving left right of the palanquin is compared to flower in the wind of our song. So okay, she skims like a bird on the foam of a stream, means whenever the stream flows it makes a foamy water. When it hits something it makes foamy water, and that foamy water looks very beautiful, and the bird while flying from the steam, bird do not make much effort, bird do not need to make much effort. So here the palanquin bearers are also saying that the bird is not making much effort, means without making much effort bird flew over the stream. And here also that she skims, she means who, the bride in the palanquin skims like a bird on the without making without making any effort. The palanquin is skimming like a foam, means they are carrying with very easily. um, she floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. And now the bride in the palanquin is compared to the laugh from the lips of a dream, means sometime when we sleep, when we see some dream, we if the dream is very happy type of dream, then we smile while sleeping. So they are also comparing the bride as that she floats like a laugh, means इतने इजीली वो मतलब जा रही है, उसको कैरी कर रहे हैं कि उन्हें कोई एफर्ट नहीं लग रहा है. क्या रियली में कोई एफर्ट नहीं लगता होगा पैलेंक्विन को उठाने में, या उसमें बैठी हुई दुल्हन को उठाने में? ऑफकोर्स एफर्ट लगता है. पैलेंक्विन इटसेल्फ वो वुडन पैलेंक्विन होता था जो खुद ही बहुत भारी होता है. फिर उसके अंदर किसी का बैठना, तो एवरेज वेट जो होता है किसी भी लेडी का वो 60 kg या 50 kg होता ही है. तो 50 kg की लेडी, फिर उसके ऊपर से 50 kg का आप पैलेंक्विन समझ लीजिए, 50 से प्लस ही होता होगा, कम नहीं. तो क्या उसको कैरी करने में मेहनत नहीं लगती? ऑफकोर्स मेहनत लगती है, बट यहाँ पे पेलनक्विन बेयरर्स जो हैं इस सॉन्ग को इसलिए गाते हैं कि वो जो वज़न कैरी कर रहे हैं उसको वो भूल जाएं और बहुत आराम से, क्योंकि उनको पहुंचाना तो है वहाँ तक, तो वो मतलब गाते हुए और अपने उस बर्डन को भूल के वो उसे उसके डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचा दें. सो they are again comparing the palanquin and the bride to the laugh from the lips of the dream, that she is so light and so means easy to carry, that they feel that she is floating like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Gaily, gaily means खुशी खुशी. Glide means to फिसलना. तो मतलब वो पैलेंक्विन बेयरर्स बोलते हैं कि हम बहुत खुशी खुशी फिसलते हुए और गाते हुए जा रहे, फिसलते हुए इन सेंस कि बहुत ही आराम से मूव करते हुए हम जा रहे हैं. एंड वी सिंग, और हम गा रहे हैं. वी बियर हर अलॉन्ग लाइक अ पर्ल ऑन अ स्ट्रिंग. अब जिस तरह से एक धागे में मोतियों को पिरोया होता है और हम उसकी माला बना के पहनते हैं, तो क्या वो हमें भारी लगती है? नहीं. तो वो क्या कह रहे हैं कि हमें ऐसा ही फील हो रहा है कि जो पेलनक्विन हम कैरी कर रहे हैं वो हम एक धागे में मोतियों को लेकर के जा रहे हैं. सॉफ्टली और सॉफ्टली वी वियर हर अलॉन्ग मीन्स सॉफ्टली मीन्स वेरी डेलिकेटली. वी आर बियरिंग हर अलॉन्ग मीन्स वी आर कैरिंग हर with us. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Now, have you ever seen the dew on the grass? When uh, when sunlight falls on the dew, there is star. The dew starts shining like a star. So here the palanquin bearers are comparing the bride to the dew, and they are saying that she hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Means they are singing, and in that song the bride is hanging like a star. Means we are not feeling any weight, we are not feeling any burden, we are very happy to carry. She springs like a beam on the brow of a tide. She falls like a tear from the eye of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So, in the last stanza, poet is saying that she springs like a beam on the brow of the tide, and she falls like a tear. Here, the poetess is presenting the mixed feeling of the bride. As bride is going to their in-laws house, she is going to start her new life. So here the poetess is saying that she is having mixed feeling of happiness and sadness. Sadness, why? She is leaving her own family, and she is happiness because she is going to her in-laws house. There she is going to start a new life. So lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Now again, the poet is saying that means the palanquin bearers are saying that very lightly we are happily carrying and singing the song, and we are taking her along, means we are taking her with ourselves, with us, like a pearl on a string. So it was all about the palanquin bearer. Now thank you. Anybody if have any doubt in the poem can ask me. Before concluding the video, I would like to explain the rhyming scheme here. Along and song, two words are rhyming to each other. Stream, dream are rhyming to each other. Sing and string, these are rhyming to each other. So the rhyming scheme of the poem is AA, BB and CC. Here it is CC, BB, AA. So okay, thank you.